I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enhance your Weebly account security, enabling two-factor authentication is a great step. Here is how to do it in a few simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Weebly account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select account settings. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. In the account settings menu, look for the security section. Here, you will find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Toggle the switch to enable two-factor authentication. You will be prompted to enter your phone number for verification. Make sure to use a number you have access to. Step 5. Verify your phone number. You will receive a text message with the verification code. Enter this code in the provided field to complete the setup. If you don't receive the text, check your phone settings to ensure notifications are enabled. Now you're all set. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Weebly account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.